Ooh, okay, Picasso. Yes, honey. Okay, loving it. Hello, my name is Equay. I'm the creator and founder of Silky, a luxury hair and hair care company, and I'm here today to talk to you about this Vivica A. Fox wig flash, you guys. Okay, we are going to be reviewing it. This wig is super cute. As you can see, the color did not come to play. Okay, the color came to give what it came to give. Okay, and it is definitely giving it. So we're going to go ahead and get into this one. I was excited to review this one. I was excited to finally get it, y'all. But before we get into the review, I just need to ask you to do one thing for me. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. This will help me with the algorithm. It'll help get the video out there so that people can see how cute this wig really is and that they need to go ahead and add it to their collection. And then I'm going to go ahead and get into this wig install, the pros and cons and my final thoughts. Check the description box because all the details of everything I'm talking about will be down there. Some good freebies as well down there. And so now, without further ado, if you hit that like, let's go ahead and let's get into this review. So I am back from installing Flash. Okay, super cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when I took Flash out of the packaging, the first thing I noticed is that it is a little bit thinner. So the density on this one is a little bit lighter, but the color, okay? This is the color Picasso, and baby, this color blend is blending, okay? The color blend is blending. This is a beautiful, beautiful color blend, and I feel like this is the magic of the wig, really, is this color blend. It's a cute style bob, and actually it doesn't, it comes like to a little edge and gets a little bit longer in the front, but it's not super dramatic, so you probably can't even really tell unless you have the wig in person. Now, as far as the texture, this one is definitely more on the silky side, but there is some yuckiness to it. It's not like it's like Barbie hair or anything like that. So if you do like yucky hair, I do feel like you will be okay with this one. It does have the left side part over here that kind of curves, which I like. That makes it look a little bit more natural, so you cannot shift it. So for my lefties, you got one for my lefties. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the stock card. So she is rocking Picasso on the stock card. Flash does come in some other colors. She is heat friendly. As you've seen, I did put the heat in this one. Now, what I did find is that it had a lot of little frizzes and frays. So I went in, of course, like I always do with mousse to help with that. But it's still, especially at the top, it had a lot of frizzies. So I went in with my wax stick, and I suggest if you do not have a wax stick in your wig arsenal, you need to get it, mamita. Get it quickly, because it really does get in there and helps keep those little frizzes and frays. I had a bunch of little frizzies up here, especially on this side where the hair color is, and so I feel like the heat really helped to bring it down. Also felt like it was just a little poofy, but you know I'm the president of the Black Girls Who Can't Cornrow, so it could be because my ponytails. But yeah, so I did put some heat in there because if it's poofy in the crown, that is a telltale sign it's a wig, and I did not want that. It says it has baby hairs. I really didn't notice the baby hairs. I'm not big on baby hairs. The cap is a little bit smaller. I am coming out on the side, so that's why you see me do the edge control over here, because these are actually my edges over here on the side. So I just went ahead and brushed them down. Now, as far as the cap, it does stretch and it is open, which makes it nice for these warmer months, and this wig can transition into fall, I feel, very, very nicely. But it just has the typical 2 combs in the front as far as the cap goes, and the combs, the 1 comb, excuse me, in the back with the adjustable strap, even though it's saying it has HD Swiss lace. Now, the lace on this one is kind of on the lighter side, so if you do want to go ahead and go in and spray it, you can. As you've seen, I did not do any kind of blending of the lace, but you absolutely don't have to. I think the secret is just with HD lace, making sure that you have a black cap on instead of a nude one, and then you can always go in and do what you need to make the lace match with the part, etc. And really, that was it. I think this one is super cute, and I definitely recommend that you get her if you are into color and you want something that's a little bit more subtle. So I'm already getting to the pros, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Let's get into these pros and cons. So for the pros, the color, boo. It's the color for me. The color is coloring. I love this color blend. I think they did a beautiful job with that. I love bobs. If you watch me over here, you know I love a good bob style. So I think this is nice. It can be nice to wear when this weather is still warmer. And then as we transition over into this fall autumn season, I think this is going to work well with the coloring. And also, this is on trend. It's very trendy to have a little bit of color in your wig. This rainbow coloring is super cute. Very, very good job on the blending. Very easy to install, which we love. To have the HD lace and all the little bells and whistles, those things are all really great, so I like that. And even though she is more on the silkier side, I like that. As for cons, some of you might not like that because the texture is a little bit, I feel like, more on the silkier side. It's not super silky, but it's definitely a little bit more over there on the silkier side. So for people who don't like silky wigs, you might. And then this one also had a little bit of a shine to it, so that's why I use my brunette shampoo. I feel like sometimes when a wig has shine to it, that can make it look a little phony. So the secret, girls, for these darker wigs, get you some brunette dry shampoo. It works, baby. It works. So I think that helped with as far as that goes. And then it is kind of small. I have my actual baby hair out blended on the side because I'm coming out on the side here, so the cap is a little bit small. I don't know how super big head friendly this one is. Even though the cap does stretch, it might be kind of tight, and really that's it. So I definitely think if you're looking to venture into some color for the new season, or you've been wanting one of these wigs, because I have been wanting one of these wigs with, you know, a little bit of the color and the play on the rainbow colors, this is your girl. And when I take this wig off, I am not going to put Flash back into the plastic bag she came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious velvet silky sack. A silky sack is a silk line bag that I invented to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that your wig would do if you were to place it back into the plastic that it came out of. So if you would like to see and learn more about silky sacks or some of the other fabulous products that I use in my videos that we do sell, go ahead and check out the website. And the website is new, so please go check it out. Let me know what you are thinking of this one. And now it is time for my silky chick shout out. And the silky chick shout out goes to Shygirlcomplex. Shygirlcomplex, thank you so much for taking the time to not only watch the video, but to comment and let me know what you are thinking. If you would like to become a silky chick, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified. And if you're watching over on Facebook, hey silky chicks, you know I love you guys over on the FB too. Go ahead and leave me a comment so that I'll know you are in the building. And then let me know what you were thinking of Flash. I think she's super cute, you guys. I think she is a winner. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember that better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next one.